India's Narendra Modi-led government completed its 1 year in office on Tuesday. Supporters feel his administration has set the pace for changing India's growth story with its populist policies and global approach. However, critics say much more needs to be done to implement it on the ground.
The past 1 year under the Bharatiya Janata Party government, led by its leader Narendra Modi, has been a busy one. Since coming to power in May 2014, the Modi government has launched a slew of social schemes such as the Clean India campaign and the Make in India initiative. Among its most significant economic achievements is the liberalization of the foreign direct investment or FDI regime for sectors including insurance, defence and railways. Meanwhile, on the foreign policy front, the major highlight has been the presence of an active Prime Minister who has travelled extensively to at least 18 countries seeking investment to promote domestic growth. Also, the Yemen evacuation and earthquake relief assistance to Nepal are some of the efforts of this government that were lauded by the media and the world at large.
It is a pro-poor, pro-farmer government. It also is seeing how to expand economic activity. All the priorities are clear. It's evident whether it's the financial inclusion scheme in which 150 million people have opened accounts, whether it's the life insurance scheme, whether it's the accident insurance scheme or the universal pension scheme. So a lot of things have been done.
But despite its populist schemes and humanitarian efforts, the Modi government has faced criticism from the opposition parties over the PM's frequent foreign trips, controversial remarks by its leaders and slow pace of bringing about the promised reforms.
In the past 1 year, communal harmony has absolutely gone to the dogs. Social cohesion is in shreds. Economy is touching the lowest points of Nadir. The price of the rupee today is above 64 rupees. And in the international arena, this government is down on bended knees before Pakistan and is almost prostrating before China.
The delay in passing key legislations such as the Goods and Services Tax Bill and the Land Acquisition Bill has further fueled concerns over the government's potential to usher in big-ticket reforms. Ever since storming into power with a strong majority, the government has done its bit on many fronts, from announcing several key policy initiatives to cementing bilateral relations across the globe. But with the passing of a first year in power, the Modi government will now be expected to start delivering instead of just promising. Avneet Arora for South Asia Newsline in New Delhi.